How to reset the Perodua Ativa oil deterioration warning light. What is the reason for this running light? The reason for this is that your car's engine oil needs to be changed. After changing the engine oil, first start the car engine to reset the oil service light. After starting the car's engine, use the switch control on the left side of the steering wheel to reset the oil service light. To light the well, first click on this bake button once. After clicking on the bake button, now click on the right button to go to the settings option. Now I'm going to right-click. Go to the settings option. Now click on the down button and scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see the maintenance settings. Go to the maintenance settings option and press the enter button to set how many kilometers of driving before the engine oil needs to be changed and the warning light comes on. I used fully synthetic oil to reset to 10,000 kilometers. Press enter button. Oil change reset after changing next notice timing 10,000 kilometer. Left button click I will bake it. Now I click on the down button and scroll down. Oil deteriorated warning light reset. Press enter button. Oil deteriorate wiring reset after changing engine oil. Activate reset yes, then press enter button. Wiring light reset completed. Now click on the left side button and go to the left. Now there is no more warning light. See the no message. Clicking the left side button again will display the car's dashboard meter digital clock. Thank you very much for watching the video.